Hi, welcome to 2041 Knoxville Avenue, lovely single family home in a friendly neighborhood in Long Beach. Come inside and have a look at me. Charming single level home with timeless character, lovingly cared for by the same family for over 40 years. Step inside to a welcoming dining area with vaulted wood beam ceilings and a large picture window overlooking the front yard. A two-way brick fireplace shared with the living room, which is spacious, featuring expansive windows framing views of the tranquil backyard. The bright kitchen includes an electric range, wine cooler, two windows overlooking the sink, and a convenient breakfast counter. The hallway bath features a tub with glass enclosure. The home has multiple bedrooms, providing flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Lovingly cared for by the same family for over 40 years. This inviting 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence offers comfort, space, and classic charm in a highly desirable neighborhood. The enormous primary suite offers a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and a soaking tub. Enjoy the peaceful backyard with mature landscaping, and the beautiful front yard with wonderful curb appeal. If you would like more information about this home or would like a private tour, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below.